Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 702 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, MasterCard has partnered with Bakkt for crypto services. Tesla has hinted at a possible restoration of its Bitcoin payments, and Equinix is expanding its team in response to growing institutional demand. Just before we get into the show today, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so MasterCard, which trades on the NYSE as MA, has announced a multifaceted partnership with Bakkt Holdings Inc., which trades on the NYSE as BKKT, and this is to make it easier for merchants, banks, and fintechs in the U.S. to embrace and offer a broad set of cryptocurrency solutions and services. MasterCard's network and Bakkt's platform will allow MasterCard partners to offer the ability for consumers to buy, sell, and hold digital assets through custodial wallets powered by the Bakkt platform and streamlined issuance of branded crypto debit and credit cards. Sherry Haymond, the Executive Vice President of Digital Partnerships at MasterCard, said, quote, MasterCard is committed to offering a wide range of payment solutions that deliver more choice, value, and impact every day. Together with Bakkt, and grounded by our principled approach to innovation, will not only empower our partners to offer a dynamic mix of digital assets options, but also deliver differentiated and relevant consumer experiences. End quote. In a quarterly filing with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, from September, Tesla, which trades on the Nasdaq as TSLA, appears to imply the restoration of cryptocurrency transactions. An excerpt reads, quote, during the 9 months ended September 30th, 2021, we purchased an aggregate of $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. In addition, during the 3 months ended March 31st, 2021, we accepted Bitcoin as a payment for sales of certain of our products in specified regions subject to applicable laws and suspended this practice in May 2021. We may in the future restart the practice of transacting in cryptocurrencies or digital assets for our products and services. End quote. As it says, the first 3 months of the year, Tesla accepted Bitcoin for purchases but stopped. This was in response to concerns over the cryptocurrency's environmental impact. Equinix, or Diginex Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq as EQOS, has announced a significant expansion of its international sales team with strategic hires to meet the exponential growth of institutional demand for digital assets. The firm's CEO, Richard Byworth, said, quote, institutional participation in crypto is at an inflection point. Our institutional clients and professional crypto traders want to work with experts they can trust, and our investment in highly experienced professionals reflects our commitment to delivering a best-in-class, compliant, and transparent cryptocurrency platform. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. And this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.